What if you could start generating cash flow today without any upfront investment? Imagine turning your existing assets, whether it's your laptop, internet connection, or a specific skill, into a reliable income stream that pays you monthly. It might sound impossible, but it's not. With the right approach, you can create a consistent cash flow stream with zero money down. In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to build cash flow from nothing. You'll learn how to leverage what you already have, create no-code assets, and automate your reinvestment. By the end, you'll have actionable strategies to generate income from scratch and make your resources work for you. Let's dive in and discover how to turn your time and assets into consistent cash flow. 1. The digital harvest, days 1 to 7. The first phase is about monetizing what you already have, your idle assets. Think about it. You likely own hardware, data, or resources that are sitting unused, and they can be turned into income streams with very little effort. Here's the move. Look at platforms like Honeygain, which allows you to share unused internet bandwidth or render network if you have a gaming PC with a GPU that isn't being fully utilized. By renting out your bandwidth or GPU power, you can start generating micropayments with zero labor. It's essentially found money that you're making from things you already own. These platforms allow you to earn $10 to $50 per month with no active work. It's passive income, and best of all, it costs you nothing to get started. This first phase is your seed capital, a small but crucial step that will fuel the next stages of your journey toward more substantial income. By using these digital surplus assets, you're creating the foundation for larger, more sustainable cash flow in the following phases. Most people overlook the underutilized resources they already have. Whether it's your computer, your internet connection, or simply unused skills, there are countless ways to monetize them with minimal effort. This approach works because it's low risk and requires no initial investment, just leveraging what you already own. The real power in this phase lies in its simplicity. You're not creating new products, learning complex skills, or putting in hours of work. Instead, you're monetizing what's already available to you. For instance, if you're using a gaming PC, you might not even notice how much GPU power you're wasting. By renting it out, you're turning what's effectively wasted time into a source of income. Similarly, if you have a stable internet connection, why not let others use your unused bandwidth? As these small streams accumulate, they provide you with a breathing room to explore more ambitious income avenues. It's a clever way to unlock the hidden potential in your current assets. The beauty of this model is that it's scalable. Whether you have a single device or a network of resources, you can increase your income incrementally with very little effort. 2. The service-to-product bridge, days 8 to 30. Once you've started generating your initial seed capital, it's time to move to the next phase, the service-to-product bridge. This phase focuses on leveraging AI tools and transforming services into automated products. Here's the strategy. Take advantage of free AI tools like ChatGPT or Canva to perform microsprints for small business owners. Many small businesses are overwhelmed by technology and need help with tasks such as writing descriptions or creating digital content. You can offer a Google Business Profile tune-up, using AI to write better descriptions or reply to old reviews for local shops. Charge a flat $50 performance fee per tune-up. By performing these tasks manually, you'll generate quick cash. Once you've completed this process 5 times, it's time to automate. Turn your tune-up process into a standard operating procedure, SOP, PDF, or a checklist. Now, instead of doing it manually each time, you have a product, an SOP, that can be sold repeatedly, helping you scale your income. This method is effective because it turns service-based work into scalable, productized income. Once you have a template, you can sell it over and over again. By using AI tools to streamline the work, you're making the process more efficient and creating income with minimal effort. In the digital age, tasks that once required hours of manual labor can now be completed quickly with the help of AI. This transformation not only allows you to maximize your time, but also gives you a flexible, evergreen product that can continue to generate passive income. Over time, the more processes you automate, the less time you'll need to spend actively working, and the more money you'll make. 3. The assetization of your knowledge, months 2+. After successfully moving from service to product, it's time to assetize your knowledge. This phase is about turning what you've learned into digital products that sell repeatedly with no inventory or shipping costs. Here's the move. By now, you've figured out how to perform a specific task efficiently. The next step is to sell your workflows as digital products. For example, you can create a Notion template or a Google Sheets dashboard that solves the same problem you addressed in Phase 2. Maybe it's a content calendar template or a project management system. Once created, you list it on Gumroad or Etsy, and it starts generating passive income. By creating and listing your templates on online marketplaces, you generate recurring revenue. Each sale is pure profit since you're selling a digital asset with no need for inventory, fulfillment, or customer service. Over time, as you develop more templates and improve the quality of your products, the income grows. Digital products are a great source of passive income because they're scalable and low maintenance. Once your product is made, it can be sold an unlimited number of times, generating ongoing cash flow. By creating products that solve real-world problems, whether it's business management or personal productivity, you're creating value that continues to pay you back over time. The best part is that digital products are effortless to distribute. And as your portfolio grows, you can tap into a broader audience, increasing your earnings without added work. 4. The compounding lock. Now that you've created some consistent income streams, it's time to lock in your growth with a compounding strategy. This phase is all about taking the money you've earned from digital products and reinvesting it into high-yield assets that generate passive income. Here's the move. Take the dollars earned from your digital products and move them into a high-yield savings account HYSA or a monthly dividend ETF like JEPI. These assets pay interest or dividends regularly, creating additional streams of income without any active involvement on your part. By reinvesting your earnings into high-yield assets, you are compounding your wealth. Each month, you receive payouts that can be reinvested or used as additional income. The more you reinvest, the larger your income becomes. Over time, this compounding effect will accelerate your wealth-building process. The compounding lock works because it takes the concept of passive income to the next level. By reinvesting the money you earn from digital products and other streams, you create a snowball effect that grows your wealth exponentially. This is a classic strategy that millionaires use to build long-term wealth. 5. The 0 to 1 Golden Rule. Before we wrap up, let me share the golden rule that will make all of this work. Never spend your cash flow on lifestyle items in the first 6 months. Treat your new income streams as your employee number one. Their only job is to go out and buy more assets, stocks, better software, or skills to make you more money. By reinvesting the cash flow from your digital products, you're essentially building a self-sustaining system where your income grows automatically. You're not just making money. You're using the money you make to make even more money. This entire process works because it takes existing resources, whether it's time, skills, or digital surplus, and turns them into scalable income streams. You're using what you already have to generate money, and by automating and reinvesting that money, you're creating a system that continuously works for you. The best part? This doesn't require large upfront capital, complex systems, or significant time commitments. It's all about leveraging your digital surplus as effectively as possible. And there you have it. From harvesting your idle assets to building digital products and automating reinvestment, you now have a clear roadmap to create cash flow from zero. The key is to start small, stay consistent, and let the system work for you. Whether you're looking for passive income or want to replace your salary, this guide gives you the tools to start today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more actionable tips on how to build wealth with little to no money. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.